Hey up mates, my name is Lasse and I come from Austria. Today I will show you my Swiss Army knife. It was a model Prix and it came fresh from the Victorinox service. I hope you see my first video. Here are the link. You must see the old one. It came back from the Victorinox service. In Austria we said nail new, Nagel neu. These are the parts who would changed. On the scissor only the spring. And these are the old parts. It's very damaged and dirty. I have written something about this knife. They were made from 1980 to 1995. This was an older model without a pocket hook and without a keyring and with a big screwdriver with a can opener. There you will see it. New models have a little screwdriver. I sent this up for service and I pay 14 euro. Good work, Victorinox. There I only can say hats off, Victorinox. And if you like my video, please give me a Daumen. Thanks guys for watching and we see us. Greetings from Austria.